Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming what your iPad supports and gathering the right reader. If you have a USB-C iPad, use a USB-C SD reader. If you have Lightning, use Apple's Lightning to SD camera reader or a certified alternative. Once you have the reader, insert the SD or micro SD in its adapter until it clicks. Make sure the card's Write Protect switch is off. Plug the reader into the iPad. Files should detect it automatically, which leads to the next steps. Open the Files app and tap Browse. You'll see the external drive listed under Locations. Tap it to view folders and RAW files. To move items, press and hold a file, then choose Copy or Move. Navigate to the destination folder and paste. On iPad with multitasking, drag and drop between files windows to speed transfer. If you're importing photos, open Photos and use Import, or import via Files if camera or RAW files are present. Make sure you monitor transfer progress and available storage. Finish by ensuring all transfers complete and then safely eject the card. Tap the drive in Files and use Eject or wait for transfer indicators to end before unplugging. If the card isn't recognized, first try a different reader or SD card to isolate the issue. File system incompatibility is common, so reformat to XFAT or FAT32 on a computer if you can back up data. Finally, make sure iPad OS is up to date and restart the iPad. These steps resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.